Hello everyone, welcome back to the Advanced Java tutorial. This is Ashwini, Senior Trainer from Unikaksha. In this video, I'm going to explain you about fundamentals of JDBC. In the last video, I have explained the different features of Advanced Java followed by Java editions and their uses. So let's get started with the video. In today's session, I am going to explain you about three things. First, JDBC fundamentals. Second, JDBC architecture. And third, JDBC components. So let's get started. Firstly, we will understand what exactly is the meaning of JDBC. So Java Database Connectivity or JDBC API provides universal data access from Java programming language. When we are using this JDBC API, we can easily access virtually any data source from relational databases to spreadsheets and flat files as well. The JDBC API is comprised of two packages. One that is java.sql, second that is javax.sql. You can automatically get both packages when you download Java Platform Standard Edition, that is Java SE. Now, let's first understand what exactly is the JDBC architecture. Basically, Java Database Connectivity architecture is divided into four different parts. First, that is Java application. Second, JDBC driver manager, which is going to manage the drivers. Third, JDBC driver. And fourth, the different databases like, for example, Oracle, SQL, Sybase, etc. Now, let's get started with the JDBC components. There are four different types of JDBC components which we are going to learn in detail. First, that is JDBC API. Second, JDBC driver manager. Third, JDBC test suite. And fourth, that is JDBC ODBC drivers. First component, that is application. So it is nothing but a Java applet or servlet which communicates with the data source. Second, JDBC API. JDBC API provides classes, methods, and interfaces which are required to execute SQL statements and deals with the databases. Third, driver manager. Driver manager provides database-specific drivers which are required for connecting enterprise applications with the databases. Fourth component, that is JDBC drivers. JDBC drivers are used to communicate with the data source through JDBC. This is particularly used to interact intelligently with the respective data sources. So, this was all about JDBC fundamentals. Here we have understood that JDBC helps you to write Java applications which manages three main programming activities. These activities are: first, connecting to the data source like a database; second, sending queries and update statements to the database; and third, retrieve and process the results which are received from the database in answer to your query. So thank you so much. If you want to understand more about JDBC, then please stay tuned with Unikaksha. For more details, you can visit our website www.unikaksha.com. Thank you.